If someone visits your LinkedIn profile, the very first thing that they see on your profile is your profile picture. Now, it is usually said that LinkedIn profiles with a profile picture receive 14 times more views compared to those accounts which do not have a profile picture. Sadly or fortunately, it is based on your profile picture that someone decides if they want to speak with you or not. While most of the corporate professionals make this mistake of either uploading a random profile picture from a wedding or a trip or a birthday party, and even worse, at times leave the default grey LinkedIn avatar. And that is costing you millions of opportunities every single day. Hi, I am Karishmaa, a model, anchor, author turned LinkedIn and corporate employee branding expert with 9+ years of experience, and today I will help you set up a professional profile picture on LinkedIn without having a professional photographer. And keep watching until the end because I have a bonus for you that I'm sure you don't want to miss out. First things first, why does a profile picture even matters? It is the first thing that's visible when you're making comments, when you are texting somebody, when you're sending out connection requests on LinkedIn, when you're putting out a post out there on LinkedIn. It becomes like a small visual identity that you carry on LinkedIn. And imagine it being so questionable that people start ignoring you. Here are some mistakes that most people do, but I will save you from making those. So let's take a look at a couple of examples which will help us understand what not to do with your profile picture. Now I'm going to go to this first profile. If I look at this profile, though somebody has set it up in a background and there's a formal attire. However, the mistake with this particular profile picture is that the background is extremely disturbing. However, on LinkedIn, it is your face that should make the 60% of the focus area. Now, let's have a look at another profile. I don't need to talk about this because as you can see, it's the default grey avatar on LinkedIn. However, if I come to this particular profile on LinkedIn, this is the kind of picture you need to aim for. It is subtle, clean, plain background, and it is the face that takes the 60% of the focus area on LinkedIn. The profile is neat. From a distance far off, you can figure out what the person looks like, and it makes you want to speak with that person. It makes you want to connect with that person. Now, since we've discussed these examples, I will break down 5 major rules of putting up a great LinkedIn profile picture, which will help your profile picture do its best job on LinkedIn. Grab a diary and a pen and note these down with me. Rule number 1 is to dress the way you're dressed to work. You don't need to wear formals if that is not what you wear to your office every day. Dress whatever is business casuals for you. Rule number 2 is to have a subtle, clean background. Could be a plain white wall or a soft, blurry environment. Rule number 3 is to crop from your shoulders and have slight gap from your head. Your face should occupy 60% of your frame. Rule number 4. Try to wear solid colors, could be light blue, light pink, dark pink, but avoid patterns. It disturbs the entire image. It takes the focus away from you. And last but not the least, rule number 5, look straight into the camera, keep your eyes soft and natural like how I am speaking with you right now. And by the way, if this video has been genuinely helping you, please take a second and hit the like button. It genuinely motivates me. Now let's understand some best practices if you want to capture your profile picture using your phone. Switch to portrait mode and stand opposite a window so that natural light falls on your face. Ask someone else to click your picture and avoid taking a selfie. Always try using the rear camera, and that one switch alone will actually give you a significantly better image quality. If you're using the selfie camera, place it somewhere against a window maybe where the light is falling on your face. Now, if you want a quick checklist to run through before uploading your profile picture, I have made a LinkedIn profile picture cheat sheet which I've linked down in the description below. Go grab it because I've covered everything that we've discussed so far and what we'll be discussing ahead in the video. Now here's the bonus for you. As I promised, 2 free tools to help you get a professional profile picture under 2 minutes. Let's go. So tool number 1 is the pfpmaker.com. So go to pfpmaker.com and select create your profile picture. Once you select create your profile picture, now here try to upload a picture of yourself where most of the picture is covered by you, your face, and less of the background. ASAP you upload your picture, you will see that it gives you a lot of different profile picture options with multiple backgrounds to choose from. you get a neat and clean studio lighting effect picture within 2 seconds. Download the image and you're done. Tool number 2 is Canva. Log into your Canva account and click Create on left of the home page. Search for LinkedIn profile picture and select the LinkedIn profile picture template. Now choose any template that suits you the best. I am choosing this one right here and upload your picture. Now if you have a Canva premium account, click on BG remover and it will automatically remove your background. If not, you can go to any free tool outside. You could go to bgremover.com and remove your background and upload the image in your Canva frame. Once the background is removed, you can replace it with your image. And maybe, even go ahead and tweak the picture colors, tweak the background colors, zoom the photo in if you'd like, zoom it out, and click on download and download a JPG file. Now let's go further and upload your profile picture on LinkedIn. Go click on your LinkedIn profile picture, go to view profile option from the top right, and then click on your LinkedIn profile picture. Now you get an option to edit your picture if you already have one uploaded, or else you can upload if you don't have a profile picture uploaded. Then you click on upload photo and you can choose any from your system, and you can crop, arrange filters, adjust here as well, and click on save changes. Your profile picture is now live. And remember, as I told you earlier, my LinkedIn profile picture optimization toolkit is in the description below. Download it, make sure you download it and hit each and every box before you upload your profile picture. In case you didn't know, this is my very first episode of my LinkedIn profile optimization masterclass. I will be covering profile optimization step by step in my coming videos. So if you like this video, please hit a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share this with someone who would benefit from this. Once you're done creating a profile picture, connect with me on LinkedIn, send it over to me. I'd love to see what you create. Alright, this is Karishmaa Singhal signing off. See you in my next video where we will cover your headline step by step.